Welcome to my channel, Netgear 1800 Wi-Fi 6 Extender Setup and Installation. 1. Unbox and plug in. Unpack the extender and plug it into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. 2. Connect to the extender. Open your device's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, e.g. Netgear EXT. 3. Access the setup page. Open a browser and type http://www.netgearext.net into the address bar to access the extender setup page. 4. Log in. Create a new account or log in with your Netgear credentials to start the setup process. 5. Select Setup Mode. Choose Wi-Fi Range Extender Mode to extend your existing network. 6. Choose your router's network from the list of available networks. Select your router's Wi-Fi name SSID. 7. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Input your router's Wi-Fi password and click Next to connect the extender to your network. 8. Reposition the extender. Unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. 9. Check the signal LED. Ensure the extender's signal light indicates a strong connection. Check the manual for color codes. 10. Connect devices to the extender. Connect your devices to the extended network, e.g. your network EXT, and confirm the connection is stable. Thank you for watching.